everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to hide the last seen on WhatsApp for a specific person. Before proceeding further, if you are not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open WhatsApp application from your app list. Once you are in, tap on the three dots located at the upper right corner. Tap Settings from the menu. From your profile, tap on Account. Select Privacy under Account menu and look for Last Seen. Click on it and tap My Contacts. Now, what you have to do is go back and delete the contact from WhatsApp for whom you want to hide last seen. Now, go to your contact on your phone and select the contact you want to delete. Tap on the three dots located at the upper right and tap Delete. Confirm deletion from the pop-up, and once you do that, the person will not be able to view your last seen on WhatsApp. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.